guys. So, what's up here? What's going on? I did my makeup. I'm gonna break up these tutorials and did my eyebrows. Well, that's my lashes. I have a great product that I have to tell you guys about.
I want to wear the same thing as you.
No, you're a young girl. And it is called Ready to Wear Eye. Hush! Ordered this off of the QVC or HSN. Oh my goodness. And this product is amazing. It's ready to wear. It is a two-piece product, and it is Sugar Lash mascara and lash extension, because I don't always have time to put on, you know, fake eyelashes, falsies, but I love, the full and length, lengthening look of eyelashes. So this product is amazing. And you first put on the mascara, and then you put on the lash extension, which is a whole bunch of particles, fibers, and I mean, I don't know if you can really get a good look, but it actually, let me show you, looks like I have false lashes on. So yeah, great product. That was like $22 for the pair, I believe. It's a duo. Well worth the money. Well worth the money. So, I'll get back to you guys. Just wanted to do a little video. I haven't shot any videos in a while, so yeah. See you guys soon. Bye bye.